Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, second puzzle in not today's newspaper, no, because today's newspaper is Friday, September the 17th, 2021. I've told you earlier in today's newspaper there are no extra Sudokus, only two regular Sudokus, the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Tuesday edition, September the 14th. We have two puzzles left, two stars, and the tectonic with one star. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3408. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 4 plus 5 is a 9, 10, 13, 14, 18, 21, plus 5 is 26 printed digits. And for a 26 printed digits, a 2 stars Sudoku, I need, my time limit is 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright. Alright, so let's get started. Four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in these two boxes. The 2 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6 are missing. We see a 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these three boxes. Here 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 5. Should be there. Alright. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see a 1 and 1 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 1. Should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5, it should be there. Alright. Let me position. Okay. Okay. Then. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. So two boxes left in this big square for the 9. Could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only three places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. Alright. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 6, 8, 8, 8, 8, 4. Okay. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Yeah. Okay. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Right, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column, in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Okay. Think. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. All right. Okay. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers, 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and 8. Okay. So we have another pair. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, and a 5 in this row. We have an 8 and a 5 in the last row. So the row between, The only 3 places for the 8 and the 5 should be in these 3 boxes, 8 and a 5. We have a 8 and a 5 in this column, so no 8 and a 5 in this box. So the 8 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. All right. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. A 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 here in this big square, so no 9 in this box. The 9 goes in that box, and the 6 goes in this box. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 7. Okay. 3, 3. Okay. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 9, so this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this row. The third row, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. All right. 2 missing numbers in the third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. And a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column B3 in the second column. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 3. How about those 2 missing numbers in this column? 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 9's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And all the 1's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing in this big square. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there, and all the 6's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Then. How about, now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more, that box should be an 8, and this box should be a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Right, correct. 15 to 20 minutes, it's definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the 1 star, for the 2 stars, for the 3 stars, for the 4 star Sudokus. I have a playlist for the tectonic, for the binary, for the killer Sudoku, all kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic one. Tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.